Pour both types of butter at room temperature into a mixing bowl. Add granulated sugar and beat with an electric mixer on high speed for 8 minutes until creamy and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula halfway through. Add eggs one by one while continuing to beat. After adding the first egg, also add the vanilla extract and beat for an additional minute. Incorporate the second egg and beat for another 5 minutes on high speed, ensuring to scrape down the sides with a spatula during mixing. Gradually add milk while mixing on low speed. Sift in the flour, baking powder, and salt in 3 stages, gently folding them into the batter. Baking. Pour the batter into a greased 20 by 30 cm baking pan, spreading it evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, gas oven, or 160 degrees Celsius, electric oven, for 20 minutes or until the initial baking is done. Topping preparation. While the cake is baking, prepare the topping. In a mixing bowl, combine the eggs and vanilla extract. Add the brown sugar and beat with an electric mixer on high speed for 5 minutes until creamy. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Gradually add the sifted flour and mix on low speed. Add the desiccated coconut and mix with a spatula. Incorporate the ground walnuts using a spatula. Finishing the cake. Once the initial baking of the cake is done, remove it from the oven and quickly spread the topping evenly over the cake. Return the cake to the middle rack of the oven and bake at 155 degrees Celsius, gas oven, or 140 degrees Celsius, electric oven, for an additional 30 minutes or until the topping is set. Note, there's no need to turn on the grill. Cooling and serving. Allow the cake to cool for 15 minutes after baking. Carefully remove the cake from the baking pan and let it rest in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Once cooled and set, cut the cake into slices using a serrated knife. Decorate the slices with breakfast chocolate and powdered pistachios. Enjoy your walnut slice cake.